we are condemning female genital mutilation for young girls, and we are saying that the information that was being passed at the point of rite of passage where there was circumcision, that info can still belong to the girl child. The community can still be better without circumcision. So today our strong message is that we have girls who are well trained, ready to go into the community with the right culture and the right attitude. And most importantly, they are not cut. Currently, our statistics don't look good. As a county, we are top 5 in FGM, with over 70% of our girls going through female genital mutilation. We are doing it both at home and also using our neighbors to do it secretly, and some of it is through the hospitals. So we are not looking good as a community. As the assembly, what we know is that we are looking forward to passing a policy that will then prioritize the needs of the girl child and the boy child in our community. That is the child protection policy that outrightly condemns FGM as a practice in this community and even country.